Here's Flame Tree BBQ. It's a really good quick service restaurant here at Animal Kingdom Park. Has really great barbecue and a lot of seating. All outdoor, but it's all covered, so it's really nice. And we are headed this way in Dinoland, USA. Okay, what did we just do? Expedition Everest.
We conquered Everest, and we got a cocktail.
Yeah. We didn't record on Everest because we did that in a previous vlog, so check that out if you want to see that ride. It's a great roller coaster.
It's great. It's just what you need. Just a little short burst of fun.
Yeah. And then when you get off at Expedition Everest, there's a little bar called Thirsty River Bar.
So we discovered that, I think, last time, maybe? Maybe the time before.
I'm not sure. But they have alcoholic beverages and some non-alcoholic, a couple snacks, but yeah, we got this, it's called the Kumbu Icefall something. Can't remember.
Yeah, Kumbu something Icefall.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Yeah, it's like coconut and raspberry and I think a little mango.
Yeah, it's like a mango rum, mango rum. I thought there was a bug in my...
But it's a really good mix because sometimes with those things it can be too sweet or too whatever, but this is nice.
Nice and balanced because the raspberry and the coconut flavor go really well together. So,
it's really good.
Yeah, we're gonna just sip on this. I actually am not positive that we are able to bring drinks on that trail now that I'm thinking about it, but we're headed up towards the Maharajah Jungle Trek, and we're gonna do that and go spot some animals and enjoy our beverage. So we'll bring you along when we go on that trail. Okay, we are gonna go in the Maharajah Jungle Trek. Monkeys, tigers, and dragons. Is it okay? Oh, good.
Just put a lid on it.
Okay. All right. This is a fun little walking trail where you see all kinds of animals. Oh, you have the QR code for the maps these days.
Should I get one?
Yeah.
Smart.
So we'll see Komodo dragon, birds. The QR code for this map. They used to have maps, but
yeah,
this is better, I think. Flying fox. What the heck is a... Oh, are bats called flying foxes? That's weird. Okay. First animal we've spotted is the Komodo dragon. He looks like he's going into his cave. He's chilling. It's crazy. He's like a dinosaur. See? Now that's why I get scared on dinosaur, because look at that thing. Right over here.
Take it in here. Temple of Doom, yeah.
This says, jungle trekkers, please apprehend that tigers are frequently encountered in the ruins ahead. Lion tail macaques. Okay. All three of them are sisters? Aww. They got a tail like a lion, I guess. Maybe because they have a tail like a lion?
In another school, of course.
Cool. A tree monitor. Is there just one in there?
Looks like it.
Oh, okay. He's got a really long
doing
one.
some kind of yoga move in there. Oh, sorry.
He's got a big old tank. Look at that tiger. Almost time to go in. Yeah, he's probably like open that door.
Looks hungry.
Yeah. Pretty.
That's beautiful.
He's the tiger, and he's actually awake in the afternoon. Look at him, he's just pacing. Not really. The biggest cat. I wonder if it ever goes down there.
Probably. I guess there's
It's got a pretty big space here. Looks nice. I mean, probably not as big as he should have, but you know, it's pretty nice. And they take care of the animals really well here. Sony. We just learned that is a female tiger named Sony, and she has a daughter. That is in a. That's okay. The daughter's in a separate containment area.
She's 4. The daughter's 4. She said once they reach 3, then they start to look at each other as
Competition.
competition for males and females.
Oh. Is that the same one, or is that a different one? Oh, she comes over here.
Come on, baby.
Here she is. Come on over, baby girl.
And Mark's over there, like, you know, at the window. Now that you're talking to Lady, I look back. And Mark's walking back and forth on the Cheeto. And the lioness is like looking at Mark.
Hey there. That's Sony.
Lions eat Cheetos! And I'm like, no, they don't look very well. Hey, it was like,
This is the area my mom always loves, of course. It's for you, Mama.
Hello.
It's a really cool trail. What kind of fruit is that in these trees? Is that oranges? They're all over the place.
Jeez.
That's cool. Now this, oh, so it's kind of like the prairie animals, sort of.
Yeah, no tigers over here. Oh, look at that big buffalo.
Yeah, there's a couple of them up there. Some like deer-like animal up there, some birds. There's a big bird right over here. There. It's giant. This is pretty. I feel like there's never any animals in here though, every time we walk this bridge.
This side, yeah. 'Cause that's that same one you see.
Right. This is the, like, aviary where all the birds are. It's called an aviary, right? Yeah. This is an interesting guy right here. Oh. Oh, dang. You came up close. Wow. Hello. They're pretty.
Yeah, that one's taking it.
You don't want to get pooped on.
Yeah, I was like, where's all the food?
Nobody's in the fountain right now. Nobody's taking a bath. It's pretty in here. There's one sitting on here. that's like a pheasant or a peacock or something up there. Whew. Please don't poop on me. Pheasant.
This side you see is feather pattern. Yeah, it's his eyes.
Yeah.
But you notice exactly is a pheasant.
So pretty. Okay, we mobile ordered our food from Flame Tree Barbecue. So we are just waiting for it to tell us that it's ready. Should we go try and find a seat while we're waiting?
Sure.
There's all kinds of seating down here. Show you what we got once we get our food. What a fabulous view. Our table at Flame Tree Barbecue. And I know, right? Just waiting for them to call us for our food. It's like Donald and Daisy and Launchpad over there. These guys, you better stay away from me. I see you. I see you. I see you. Alright, our food from Flame Tree Barbecue has arrived. These birds are relentless. They actually don't get too close, but we got this drink is the Island Breeze. It's very pretty. It's Parrot Bay coconut rum with layers of frozen mango and raspberry.
I mean, you probably use a straw.
Yeah. It's pretty though.
It's like lemon shaved ice.
Nice. And then,
Not too like tart or anything.
right, we got the pulled pork sandwich, and you have a choice. You can get it with baked beans or French fries. We got it with French fries, and then that is the baked macaroni and cheese with pulled pork, topped with onion rings and coleslaw. Oh, look at it! Rafiki and Timon.
Got the best seat in the house.
So we're gonna give this stuff a try.
Try the drink?
Oh yeah, let's try the drink.
Yeah, like, you know, sip and pull the straw up. That's probably the best way to do it. Coconut rum, right?
Yeah,
It's good.
it's different than the last drink we
Yeah.
got. It's still good.
Alright, this one's just got cheesy mac. I mean, it's super cheesy. And I can see the kind of like the burnt cheese on top a little bit, so that's good. I want to kind of get a bite of everything here. Yeah, it's really good. Tangy barbecue sauce. Super cheesy. Tastes really good.
French fries are pretty basic, but they're good.
Can we get your whole bite of everything? Let me help my little girl out. My little baby.
What's that mean?
I think we're going to get another.
No, already?
More in like 5 minutes or so.
Okay.
Yeah. Onion rings on top.
I'll just eat the little one.
Cooked real nice. I wish they were a little warmer, but really crispy and flavorful.
Okay. The sandwich.
Sorry, it's Genie Plus time. I'm just
Sandwich
checking.
is got a lot of pulled pork on it, and it's got coleslaw. I don't feel like I would want a little more sauce on it, but I'm gonna take a bite just
That's
as it is.
barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good too.
So I
Probably
gotta-
will add some more barbecue sauce, but tasty. Yeah, sloppy.
Oh, who's coming? Oh, yeah, right.
I saw them while you were up there picking up. Donald and Daisy. Launchpad.
Is that what you would do? I bet you'll like it better with a little barbecue sauce on it.
Yeah. It's all really good.
Yeah, really good.
I'm gonna turn this off and we're gonna eat.
Sure.
I know.
All right, one of my favorite shows, Best 3Ds. This and PhilharMagic and The Muppet Show.
Yeah. It's tough to be a bug. We finished lunch. Flame Tree Barbecue was great as usual.
Yeah. Great seats right on the water.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Now can we go aside for just a second? I have to show this view. We're doing It's Tough to Be a Bug, and the theater for it is like underneath the tree. So it's just really pretty. Right here to be so close to the tree. So Disneyland used to have Bugs Land, and they had It's Tough to Be a Bug there.
Yeah.
But they got rid of Bugs Land when they put in Marvel or Avengers Campus.
Avengers Campus.
So we miss it. It's a good show.
Yeah, it's cute. Good 3D.
It's kind of scary.
There's a couple parts to get hiding, but
It's scary. Kids, if I were a kid, I'd be real scared.
yeah. All the bugs.
All the bugs.
I have to wear a mask for sure.
Oh yeah. Yeah. You get up close and personal with all the carvings of the animals on the tree. Yeah. So cool. It's that bird show again. You can hear it. Reindeer maybe?
Yeah.
Up there?
Oh yeah.
It's Tough to Be a Bug is a theatrical journey into a bug's world that features images of insects, loud noises, dense fog, and things that creep and crawl in the dark. Ooh, it's creepy. Going underneath the tree. Becoming bugs. All right.
Great.
I love all the little movie posters. What's your favorite part?
The stink bug. I don't know. It seemed like the acid got you a lot more this time. It was
Yeah.
like a lot of water.
Yeah. It's a cute show.
Yeah, I love it. What's your favorite part?
Well, it's just like perfect theming, you know, from everything, from being underneath the tree to being in, you know, Animal Kingdom and all of that. It just fits in really well.
It's got a, you know, sight, smell, touch.
Yeah.
Pretty good. 3D. What do they call that? A 4D or 5D?
I don't know.
5D. Oh no, because it doesn't move yet, so 4D.
Okay. So I think we're gonna head over to try and catch the 4 o'clock showing of Celebration of Festival of the Lion King. It's not the normal show. I don't know if it's shorter or if it's just adjusted because of COVID. So the performers have a little more space.
Which way do we go?
I think to the right.
It's Asia.
Yeah. We want to go to Africa.